Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have s to the power of 3, s to the power of 5. We can do about factorization. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. Before we do this one, we continue do factorization of this one in here. So we will have about s squared plus 3 s squared minus 1. So I will put about u equal to s squared plus 1. So next I will put number 1 go to the left because we still have about s squared. Next we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have the u equals to 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. This one we change for u minus 1. This one we change for u minus 1. S ds we change for du over 2. This is about negative number. This is about positive number 2. This is about negative number 2. So this is about identity. So we put about u squared minus 4. This one divided by this one divided by this one. So we have 1 over u minus 4 u to the power of negative number 3. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of 1 over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is about negative number 2. This is about negative number 2. Negative number 4 divided by negative number 2. We have positive number 2 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.